Hello and welcome to this week's edition of This Week at AVS. We are back to tell you what's been going on at the Avon Valley School. Today it is Children in Need and we have a non-uniform day and fundraising activities for a great cause. Thank you to all the students and staff for getting involved today to raise money for children in need. This week we came together as a community to show our respect and care for the fallen in our Remembrance Day activities. In Tutor time, our students wrote messages of gratitude on cutouts of leaves, which we've used to create our amazing display. And we've also had a display of family members who've been in the armed forces over the years in our wider community to show our respect for their service. Our Remembrance Assemblies were also attended by all students and staff. Our students put on a moving performance that depicted the sacrifice of members of the RAF and service people over the years, and then we observed a 2-minute silence which was observed impeccably by all students. Thank you to the students involved in the performance and well done to the entire community for coming together to pause for thought and to remember the fallen. We want to talk to you again about the importance of attendance. Attendance is about making every day count. Looking at the impact on outcomes for our school and nationally, students who have an attendance of 95% or above are almost twice as likely to secure a grade 5 in English and Maths at the end of their journey in a secondary school. We would encourage all parents to ensure that your child's attendance is as good as it can be, and if you do need any support getting your child into school, please contact us so that we can work together to make sure students are in school and are getting the outcomes that they deserve. Assemblies this week have been delivered by Mr. Walden and Mr. Clancy, and it's been Anti-Bullying Week. So we have been focusing on this year's Anti-Bullying Week message, the power for good. We've spoken to students about their influence on others and how they can use their power for good by being kind to others every single day. It's an important reminder that we would encourage parents to talk to their children about to make sure that they are always kind and respectful towards others. We have now finished our round of Year 11 mock interviews, so all of Year 11 have been through their mock interview with an external provider coming in from the world of work or further education, and a great opportunity for students to display their skills in that setting, and the feedback from the providers has been amazing. Well done to everybody involved, and thank you for the providers for coming in to offer that opportunity. We have had a number of trips and visits out over the last couple of weeks. I'm just going to go through them. We've been out to Walthamcote Church for a medieval trip. We've had the Sherwood Forest Halloween Trail. We've had the Duke of Edinburgh out. Learn to ski trips. Rufford Abbey. We've been to Braunston Canal for some walking. We've been to the University of Warwick, Elf the Musical, and a chemistry trip. Thank you to all of the staff for offering those opportunities, and again, student behaviour has been exceptional on those trips. That's it for this week's edition of This Week at AVS. Hopefully it's given you a good overview of everything that's been going on over the last couple of weeks. Don't forget to hit a like and subscribe on the channel so you can find out more about what's going on at the incredible Avon Valley School.